Trafford, where Manchester United have had so much success down the generations. Alan Smith is alongside me, Martin Tyler, for the commentary. The match has so much potential, and kick-off is just moments away. It's Bayern Munich against Inter.
Oh, what an arena we've got here, perfectly suited to football and two very noisy sets of fans. What a backdrop that should be to what on paper should be an entertaining match.
Thomas Müller, number 9, Robert Lewandowski, and number 10,
Bayern Munich's lineup. One thing to look out for from this team today is the way they try and win the ball back within seconds of losing it.
Yeah, and they don't do it individually. They get backed up by a teammate. They hunt in packs, and you've got to do that. You've got to do it with discipline.
This is Inter's lineup. Samir Handanovic starts in goal. Stefan de Vrij plays with Diego Godin as the centre-backs. Marcelo Brozovic plays with Christian Eriksen in midfield. In attack, Romelu Lukaku starts alongside Lautaro Martinez as the two forwards. Got a wonderful sense of history here at Old Trafford, which attracts a lot of tourists as well. Statues of Best, Law and Charlton outside the ground. The Munich tunnel, paying respect to that awful air tragedy back in 1958.
Yeah, it reeks of history, doesn't it? And not only the United players, but visiting ones too would be well aware of this famous football club and this famous football ground.
Goretzka. It's Kimmich. Tolisso. Coutinho. Davis. Difficult for the defender against the player who wants to take him on like this. Coutinho. And shoots! Great stop. And it's gone behind for Bayern's benefit. It's a corner for them. In goes the corner. Being closed down here. And the cross targeting Thomas Müller.
Save! Well, maybe even the keeper was surprised that he got a hand to that.
Coutinho plays the ball in. Headed back into the middle. Alaba. It's good play, this. The opposition can't get at them when they're keeping the ball. Robert Lewandowski! Oh, they've opened the scoring here. It's a good start. It's a flying start, really. What build-up here, Alan. The passing was so slick, and it really did deserve a goal, that move.
Well, it did. The manager will be delighted. I think that's something they've worked on the training ground. Came off a treat.
Bayern Munich are ahead now.
Goal for FC Bayern Munich. Number 9, Robert Lewandowski.
Here's Young. Well, they've got the opposition on the back foot with this break. They're coming at them with numbers. Eriksen. Oh, they couldn't keep possession. They've given it away. Robert Lewandowski. Ah, that's one he'd like to see again. The back heel, brilliant. Coutinho. Tolisso. Back with Coutinho. He's won it back easily. Lewandowski. Tolisso. It's Coutinho. Does he want to cross it now? He could. He's won possession. Martinez. And here's Young. Trying to turn over the play here. It's Kimmich. Now Benjamin Pavard. Looking for that opening of Bayern here. Joshua Kimmich. Robert Lewandowski. Müller. Signal given for Bayern Munich, it's their throw. Goretzka. It's a shot! Saved by the keeper, but not decisively. Well, it's cleared, but it's gone behind. It's a corner. Lewandowski! Well, safe hands from the goalkeeper there. Not the most demanding save, but it had to be made.
Yeah, easy though, to take it a little easy, take your eye off the ball.
Coutinho. Goretzka. Tolisso. And that was a very well-timed tackle. Throw in for Bayern Munich. Müller, Boateng, Goretzka. Cut out the pass. Tolisso. David Alaba. Played down the wing, keeping the wide attack going. Here's Pavard. On to Müller. It's Kimmich. Goretzka. Lewandowski. Probing away, working away at the opposition with these passes. Did well, stuck out a foot and cut off the pass. Play on is the message for Inter with the advantage rule. Now it's a free kick that the referee has decided to award. He's got skill with the ball, backing himself in these circumstances. Goretzka. It's Kimmich. Müller. And they're stopped in their tracks by a raised flag from the assistant.
Well, I thought, you know, he timed his run perfectly there, but no, they kept a good straight line and they caught him. But we've had a few looks at it. Linesman only gets one shout, but as you can see from this angle, he was offside.
It is in the north of Italy where there has been so much of the football heritage recorded, and Inter have played a big part in that.
They certainly have. I mean, maybe Serie A isn't as strong as it once was, but Inter Milan still a special football club.
Made a quick interception. Maybe a bit of a sighter, but it was a strong effort.
I have seen him score from those kind of distances.
Diego Godin. Ashley Young. Now de Vrij. Trying to find the opening, which would be so crucial. Goretzka. Müller. Thomas Müller. 3 minutes, that's what's going to be played for added time. Trying to spot a potential ball to open them up, but they're keeping the ball well. Davis. Saw that coming and intercepted. Diego Godin. Well, that's half-time at 1-0.
Integrali misura, per mettere d'accordo la buona tavola con la buona forma, con tutta l'esperienza misura nell'alimentazione integrale.
Con Principe di Piemonte Brut è facile indovinare la serata, anche quando si sbaglia giorno. Principe di Piemonte Brut. E la sera prende vita.
Well, here we go again for the second half with Inter at the kickoff. Eriksson. Lukaku. Asamoah. Christian Eriksen. Romelu Lukaku. Ball back with Bayern Munich. It's Kimmich. Now Benjamin Pavard. And now it's offside against Thomas Müller.
He's not slow, this lad, and he can afford to wait a bit longer. He'll beat that defender in a sprint.
It's Kimmich. Thomas Müller. Lewandowski. It's a good example of his strength. Lewandowski. Guate.
Goretzka.
Excellent attacking play here. They could open up the opposition now. Oh, he's been called offside here. Eriksson. Lautaro Martinez. Bayern Munich winning the ball back. Coutinho. It's Kimmich. Thomas Müller.
Goretzka.
On to Lewandowski. Ashley Young. Diego Godin. Christian Eriksen. Müller. Now Benjamin Pavard.
Goretzka.
Joshua Kimmich. An opportunity here. It's Lewandowski. Brilliant goal.
Such a well-crafted goal, this. Lovely vision to find the pass, and what a tidy finish.
Well, it's a goal worth replaying over and over again, isn't it? Just widen the margin here to 2-0.
FC Bayern Munich. Number 9, Robert Lewandowski.
Christian Eriksen. To Young. Trying to stretch the opposition, using the wider areas here. Continue to knock the ball around, looking for the opening. Looking to attack the cross in numbers. It's not a cross that's caused the defence any problems, and certainly not the goalkeeper.
Bayern enjoyed more than enough of the ball. We've seen some lovely football. Their key players really pulling the strings and put them into a dominant position from which I can't really see them messing it up.
Well, they are in the lead and they are on the ball, but in their own half at the moment. Can really get at the opposition here. It's Kimmich. Chance to put it in the box from here.
Goretzka.
Done well under pressure here to hold the ball as the challenge came in. Defender did well to get to it, but hasn't really finished the job. Well, that is beautifully done.
Well, talk about individual skill, the ability to beat a man. He's shown it all there.
Lewandowski. Put into the middle. Well, sometimes you just have to clear it like that. Safety first. David Alaba. Davis. Chance to work it from the flanks. Trying to pick out Lewandowski. Could have done better with the cross into the goalkeeper's reach. Time ticking on. Just over 15 minutes to go. Christian Eriksen. They're looking good when they attack. Lukaku. Great ball from Romelu Lukaku. And there was danger, but he's cleared it.
Substitution for...
Well, both sides are going to make changes now.
Number 18, Leon Goretzka, to be replaced by number 6, Thiago.
Andreva. Real promise about that build-up until that challenge. It's been a very good game, and the substitutes might be able to make it even better. We're going to get a change.
Number 18, quite well.
Sub coming on for Inter.
Coming onto the pitch, number 7, Alexis Sanchez.
Eriksen. Antonio Candreva. Players trying to attack the cross. Far too close, the cross to the keeper. And on the clock, 8 more minutes. Won it back with an interception. Room in which to attack. And that will peter out, that attack. It's the goalkeeper's ball quite easily. Lukaku. Very straightforward save for the goalkeeper.
Old Trafford, give a round of applause for
He's
today's
just dropped back in, the striker there, to get the ball in midfield.
Robert Lewandowski.
Now Skriniar saw the direction of the pass. Joshua Kimmich.
Tolisso.
A little bit risky, this manoeuvre, dropping off, because the ball will keep coming at them and they won't be able to get out.
2 minutes.
2 minutes left, that's added time.
Substitution for...
Substitution here for Bayern Munich.
Coming off the pitch, number 10, Coutinho. Coming onto the pitch, Number 14, Ivan Perisic.
Davis, Boateng, Thiago. And the referee brings it to a halt.